Hello, my name is Adrian Werner from the Saskatoon Food Bank and Learning Centre Garden Patch, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the best ways to put aside that wonderful flavor of your herb garden throughout the winter and make some wonderful salads while you're at it. So this is herb vinegar. Very simple to make, and I'll just show you how to do it right now. So I have prepared some parsley, some rosemary, and some basil. You can use any of your favorite combinations of fresh herbs. That can be thyme, it could be mint. There are all sorts of ways. Dill is another favorite, of course. So make sure to choose your vinegar, though, depending on it. So say you wanted to do dill and you wanted to add some parsley, maybe. You could always use an apple cider vinegar. This is really flexible with your herbs and your vinegars. So let's get started. I have a simple empty mason jar that I don't need to use for a couple of months because this gets more flavorful. You can start using it after a week, but it's really at its best a few months later. So I'm just going to cut the stems off a few of these parsley sprigs. You want the leaves. You also, of course, want to remove anything that's looking damaged. I, of course, have pre-cut the rosemary, but I don't want a lot of rosemary. You know, some people love it, but I want it just a little bit. So I'm going to put it lightly into the jar. Take a few basil leaves. Now, if you want to hurry up the process, you can, of course, smash the leaves. That might be a little loud, but it's one of those fun things. If you want to really show off, make it seem like you're a hot shot vinegar maker. And then you just do the simple task of filling it up above the level of the fresh herbs. You want to make sure your things are completely covered in vinegar so that they don't go bad. They'll last a bit longer, and one of the great things is once you're done using it, you can just keep topping it up. So you use some, you fill it up more, you use some, you fill it up more, and that will really take a small jar like this and make it last throughout the winter. Once you have your vinegar ready, some of the things that you can use this for are salad dressings. They're really great to add that freshness into a salad without having to add a lot of herbs. It adds flavor, especially to those winter tomatoes and that winter romaine lettuce when you're really craving that freshness of summer. So really, salads are the best way. Of course, if you want, you can add it almost anywhere that you would be adding a vinegar, apple cider, red wine. You can even just drink a little bit, I guess. Why not? Give it a shot. Let me know what you think in the comments. So have fun making herbed vinegars and enjoy your garden.